Neutrik powerCON XX series blue-gray connectors, available from Mouser Electronics, are single-phase lockable power connectors designed to guarantee a safe power connection in rugged applications. The connectors are offered in two sizes that accept cables with outer diameters ranging from 6 to 12 millimeters or 10 to 16 millimeters. They're rated for 16 amps at 250 volts AC and 20 amps at 127 volts AC. They offer circuit breaking capability when mated with the corresponding powerCON blue-gray receptacles, allowing users to safely plug and unplug the connectors when the circuit is live. They're also very durable, with a typical lifetime of 5,000 mating cycles. Neutrik powerCON XX series blue-gray connectors are easy to assemble. They feature a two-piece bushing that provides strain relief and improved cable kink protection. The inserts feature T8 Torx screws for easy wire termination, and the insert mechanically locks with the bushing during assembly and is keyed to align with the housing, with a threaded coupling to connect to the rear bushing. The housing also features an ergonomic design and slip-proof material to improve handling. In rugged applications, it's important to have robust and reliable power connectors that prevent improper installation and unintended disconnections. Neutrik powerCON XX series blue-gray connectors include multiple features to achieve this. The A-type blue connectors are used at the inlet of a load, while the B-type gray connectors are used for power outlets. The unmistakable color coding is complemented by different mechanical keyways, making it impossible to produce a short circuit. The connectors are mated using a twist locking and latched mechanism that prevents the connectors from being unmated accidentally, ensuring a safe and reliable power connection. Neutrik powerCON XX series blue-gray connectors are certified to IEC, EN, and UL 60320-1 standards for acceptance as a component in cord sets, according to IEC 60799 and UL 817, as well as equipment according to IEC 62368-1. They can be used in place of power couplers for appliances, professional AV equipment, and anywhere a very rugged locking solution is needed to ensure a safe power connection. Neutrik powerCON XX series blue-gray connectors are available now on Mouser.com.